तर्जुमान दफ्तर ख़ारजा नफीस ज़िक्रिया का कहना है कि जनीवा में पाकिस्तान मुखालिफ मुहिम चलाने वाली बलोचिस्तान हाउस नामी नाम निहाद तंजीम की फंडिंग भारत ने ही की है। इस्लामाबाद में अपनी हफ्तावार प्रेस ब्रीफिंग में 72वें UNGC सेशन के हवाले से बात करते हुए दफ्तर ख़ारजा का कहना था।
To the 72nd UNGA session in New York, you're aware of it. You already have the details of the entourage, so I need not mention it here. It is scheduled to address the UN. He is scheduled to address the UNGA General Assembly on 21st. That is today. But I think by the time he speaks, that would be late hours here. The date would be 22nd, according to Pakistan time. I'm sure that most of you are aware that he is speaking today. We are addressing the UNGA today. On the sidelines, the Prime Minister has held bilateral meetings with the King of Jordan, Presidents of Turkey, Iran, Sri Lanka, and the US Vice President. And we have actually circulated the information, what transpired from these meetings to you. The Foreign Minister and Foreign Secretary also had a number of bilateral meetings on the sidelines, and we have kept everyone informed. I have been actually tweeting about that also. They also had other important activities to attend. During this stay, the Prime Minister would also have some more engagements, as also the Foreign Minister and the Foreign Secretary. We have been keeping our media informed on the outcome of the meetings.
तर्जुमान दफ्तर ख़ारजा ने न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी के हवाले से बात करते हुए कहा,
The International Atomic Energy Agency has unveiled a burst. We have issued a press release to that effect of Pakistan's first Nobel laureate, Dr. Abdul Salam, at its headquarters. An advocate of atoms for peace, Dr. Salam's efforts in making the world aware of the benefits of using nuclear knowledge for peace, health and prosperity have been globally acknowledged. There had been devastating earthquake in Mexico, and we condole with the people and the government of Mexico on the devastations caused by that calamity. It has taken a huge toll on the human lives.
कश्मीर में मुसलमानों पर होने वाले मजालिम की मजम्मत करते हुए नफीस ज़िक्रिया का कहना था।
While in New York, 72nd session of the UN General Assembly and in Geneva, 36th session of the Human Rights Council are in progress, Indian occupation forces martyred 4 more youth in Srinagar and Kupwara areas during the last 6 days. We strongly condemn continued killing of innocent Kashmiris in staged encounters. At least 24 defenseless Kashmiris were injured after Indian forces used brute force in different parts of the Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Continued illegal detention of the Hurriyat leaders Shabbir Ahmad Shah, Musarrat Alam, Asiya Andrabi, Famida Sufi, and over 600 of Hurriyat leaders, activists and students on fake cases languishing in different jails of occupied Jammu and Kashmir, and in India is deplorable and a matter of deep concern. International community and the UN call India to account for the crimes against innocent and defenseless Kashmiris in Indian occupied Kashmir, which they are committing with impunity. Kashmiris in Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir were denied Jummah prayers last week, also in violation of human rights and religious freedom.
न्यूयॉर्क में OIC मीटिंग के इनेकाद के हवाले से तर्जुमान दफ्तर ख़ारजा नफीस ज़िक्रिया ने मज़ीद कहा,
I also wish to inform you that OIC contact group on Jammu and Kashmir held a successful meeting in New York. I tweeted about that. It was chaired by OIC Secretary General and attended by Deputy Prime Minister of Turkey, the foreign ministers and representatives of Azerbaijan, Saudi Arabia, Niger, and OIC's Secretary General's special envoy on Jammu and Kashmir, Mr. Abdullah Alim. They all participated in this. The foreign minister Wajid Asif spoke of the human rights violations and denial of the right to self-determination of the Kashmiri people, which has been promised to them in the UN Security Council's resolutions. President AJ&K, Sardar Masood Khan, presented the situation of Kashmiris in IOK. The true representatives of Kashmiri people presented a memorandum to the contact group. In the ongoing Asian Indoor Games in Ashgabat, Pakistani sports teams made us proud with their sterling performance, winning 16 medals so far. I don't know what is the tally today. We extend our heartiest congratulations to our team.
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties.
पाकिस्तान भर में नुमाइंदगान का वसी नेटवर्क, हर खबर जानने के लिए देखते रहिए TNN TV।